Hey Diecast lovers, welcome back to Diecast World channel. If you are new here, just leave like and subscribe so you'll be never miss anything here. Today, finally, I'm recording from my new office, so we be unboxing. If you see, I've got two boxes for my last internet pack hunting, so let's have a look what we can find there, and after we open and see the closer. Stay tuned and let's do it. Alright, so the first we open the small boxes. Let's have a look. Everything looks very... okay. Package very safe, very nice. Ooh. Yay! All right, quick clean. So put this back. So first box, and we have it here. The Beatles Yellow Submarine Kool Kombi. Beautiful. Just 1 second. Yeah, that is better. I put this here right now. The second car is Oldsmobile 442 from 67. To my collection Golf. If you see, there is all Golf cars, and I missed this one, so very good hunt. Alright, and the last one is a color shifter for Michael. So this one I leave for him, so he will have a fun to unbox this model. Alright, so now it's time for second parcel. Oh yeah, change the screen. Oh. Do, 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 do. Okay. Wow. As well, everything you can see packaged properly. Just try go a little higher. So yeah. Whoa. First box. Another one. And another one. Okay, it's empty. Ah, nice. waiting for? Team Transport. Porsche 917 LH. It's very, very beautiful series. So, see here. Okay, another one. I just buy this one because of course, I'm just looking for golf. So most of them should organize this set. This Chevy Silverado 83. Wow. Looks amazing. And something new. Maybe first time when I buy this brand and this set of the Golf cars. So let's have a look. Its auto world is only 5,720 model of this car, all of this car, because I think there is the 1,700 and this is 6,700. All right. So first we have 2011 Corvette Z06 through 164. All right. Another Corvette in different casting. You have a see. And Ford Mustang GT from 2017. All right, so I think it's time to open these beauties and add to my goblet. Alright, so we have more of the Golf stuff, so maybe we start from Kool Kombi. If everyone know, is from set from the Beatles, Yellow Submarine, so you have the models, what you can find to complete the sets, but for me most important be get this Kool Kombi to my collection. So let's open. Let's have a look at this beauty. Yeah, looks really amazing. So I can add them to my Kool Kombi cars. I'll show you them later. Now is from last year 2021, the Oldsmobile 442. Before I just cut the, so it's more easy to open then. It's the main line, so everyone they can buy them. Right, put them here as well. Yeah. I just add them to the collection. All right, let's have a look. The first from Auto World is the, for me is something new. I not used this before. If you can see, there is extra cover for car. So we got the car and we have the box. True scale. So So the box is to cover the car in the future. I think something similar be on Matchbox as well. Some series. All right, let's have a look for this Corvette. The quality. You see the number of production. I hope you see that. Beautiful. Hicon joint to my collection. All right. So next, another Corvette. Let's open as well. Protection, car, and box. I like this lamp, this front light looks much better. Right, and now Ford Mustang GT. I like these details. It looks really nice, and we can add him here. So now the Chevy Silverado from the set, from Petrol set. I think that is the name of this collection. You can see the front lights. In my opinion, they can do this better. Very nice. So finally, this is what everyone looking for. The new Golf Team Transport. Let's have a see. Extra cover as well for the car. First, can you see the plastic inside? Just only to keep the car. Wow. Looks really nice. Very realistic. You can close and open. Okay. Let's have a look closer. The car. Very good quality. All details. Yes, very good. So you can put the car inside, you can see. You can lock, run, or just leave at them to the front. Like that. I need to do the space for my gablet for that car. So this is how my golf collections looks right now. You can see the new models plus this from today and the cool kombi. Soon I should get more. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave like and subscribe, and see you soon. Take care, guys.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher.